ShelterLogic Shed in a Box All-Season Outdoor Storage Sheds. The ShelterLogic Shed in a Box is great for storing garden tools, mowers, snow blowers, motorcycles, snowmobiles, ATVs, pool items, or anything you need to store protected and out of sight. Shed in a Box is designed for use in every season and can protect your equipment from sunlight, rain, tree sap and more. Add space for new toys with the ShelterLogic Shed in a Box, an affordable storage solution. A stable, more durable shelter. ShelterLock 3X Steel Stabilizers patent pending ensure rock solid stability. Shed in a Box delivers a stable, more durable shelter. Quality ratchet keeps cover tight and neat looking. Ensures drum tight cover and door panel connection to shelter frame. Quality ratchet and web strap components keep cover tight and neat looking. The 7.5 ounces PSM triple layer woven polyethylene is heat sealed, not stitched for maximum water resistance. The ripstop tough fabric cover is UV treated inside, outside and in between with added fade blockers. Easy slide cross rail, best in class feature for continuous cover tightening. Our verdict: the ShelterLogic Shed in a Box outdoor storage sheds has a small footprint and big value when space is at a premium.